Do you think animals would do that to each other?
No, it wasn't me. The zoo surveillance camera. It got the whole thing on tape.
The zoo? You stole those macaws from the zoo? Liberated.
Penelope, he said he wouldn't call the feds. All you have to do is give back the birds.
Hi, Sharon Tyler. I'm an attorney, and I fully understand the magnitude of what's happened here. Review the tape. You will see that I am not on it. Excuse me. I have someplace to be. I cannot be a part of this.
Where are my birds?
They're not here.
You leave me no choice. No one else leaves this house.
How did they get in there?
Windows open.
They're mating. I told you.
And here I thought they didn't want to. Unusual. They chose a car.
Why? It was the first place I did it.
Oh, there's a very strong female musk scent. It's patchouli. What? Their love is so beautiful.
And acrobatic.
Well, they can't be removed from this environment now.
Oh my God, look at them go at it.
Thanks for donating your car, Miss Tyler.
And thank you for not calling the police.
It is a loan. That means temporary. When can I get my car back?
There's a 28-day incubation period.
I will be back in 1 month. I want it cleaned and vacuumed upon return. That is a custom leather interior.
Leather is dead flesh.
I want my dead flesh cleaned. Armstrong, taxi, please.
I have to say, I never did expect those birds to mate. I'm still amazed.
Does that mean I get my job back?
Are you kidding? You're still fired.
Hey, cheer up. At least they're doing it. That's what you wanted, right?
Yeah. I guess.
What do you mean, I guess? I've never seen anyone work so hard to get someone else laid in my entire life. You're like the total Mac Daddy bird pimp.
Thank you.
See how happy they are?
Uh-huh. Well, I know I should be too, but I'm not sure I am.
Again, I go back to the working really hard to get someone else a piece thing. The payoff is never going to be as great for you as it is for them. Don't you think you've been using these birds to avoid interacting with your own species for long enough?
You think that's what I do?
I do, yes. Yes, I do. I mean, human interaction is scary. And it's unpredictable, and you have to interact with other, well, humans. And that's always messy. You're probably scared, and that's why you're using your animals as an excuse to avoid risk. I have to go.
I don't want to be a rest stop on your road to heterosexual bliss. I want to be one of those spiked mats they use in high-speed chases.
Sharon,
I want to rip the rubber off your hubs, and I want your car to spin out of control and into my arms, and I don't ever want to let you go.
You done?
Because I am here to stake my claim, and I will peck to death any bird that gets in my way. And I know that's a bird and a car metaphor, and I think there's Shining reference in there somewhere, but they all hold.
Okay,
You are mine. I'm never gonna let you go. And I'm not afraid anymore. Just don't say anything else. Just dominate me.
Hello, Rufus.
Hi, Penelope.
I wanted to thank you.
Sure. Okay.
You went out on a limb for me and the birds. Thank you.
Birds like limbs.
Will you look in on them from time to time?
Of course. Of course I will. I'll make sure they name one of the chicks after you so they won't forget. Penelope,
Yes, Rufus.
I love the macaws too. But they're not the only animal in the zoo.
Come on! He's smarter than you know. Smarter than both of us. He knew I was putting something between us. Making excuses, avoiding. I'm lucky he called me on it. I'm lucky he's smart, sensitive, and confrontational. Betcha he wouldn't let some stuffed ass push his cute butt around. What'd you think of that? Huh? That's all.
What'd they lose now? An alligator?
I accept your challenge.
Oh.
Love is in the air, everywhere I look around. Love is in the air, every sight and every sound.
No.
And I
You're trembling.
know if I'm being fooled, don't know if I'm being wise, but it's something that I must believe in, and it's there when I look in your eyes. Love is in the air, in the whisper of the tree. Love is in the air, in the thunder of the sea. Love is in the air, love is in the air.
Jay? This is Heidi. My wife.